What we got here today is I have to replace the contactor. I'll put a screenshot when I rebuilt this flaker 4 months ago. Looking pretty good. It's good. 4 months ago, I rebuilt it. Contactor. I didn't have the right contactor on my truck, so I got these guys to put air filter on there. Now it looks like they're on top of it, which is cool. Got the air filter on backwards, but that's still fine. It'll still work. Anyways, the contactor inside here was just burned. The points were gone, so I gotta replace it. It's in there. Gotta take off the top thing here and get into there. And luckily I put a cord on this thing. You can't see back there, but there's a cord. You can see. Oh, anyways, yeah, I put a cord on this thing, so I can unplug it. Sweet. Hey. Off. Okay. And now we're gonna unplug. We can do the contactor. Okay, this is a MF isomatic. MF for M for forget or whatever. F for flaker. 10800 800 pounder. 1405 is the serial number. It's 2014 unit, made the 5th month. 05. 115 volt. You can see down there. Looks like refrigerant 404. About 24 ounces. Looks like 30 amp fuse at 115 volts. So that's why it's got 30 amp contactor, and that's why I got 30 amp push block on this thing. I'll put this on here. 30 amp contactors, run start capacitor, run capacitor, potential relay, contactor, circuit board, anyways, you got to take off these things. You just unscrew this by hand. A nut comes off. It's on the top. It goes in here. It's in the top of this. I'll show you when I put it back together. And then you just pull this container. Just goes on here like this, you know, go down on there and you just pull it straight up. I'll show you when I put it back together. Okay, this is a new contactor. Just taking some pictures here. How the points look all nice and brand new. That's what brand new points should look like on a contactor. Okay guys, we got a check a couple capacitors since I replaced the contactor right there. Put a new contactor in. We need a checking capacitors. So I got that capacitor, the run capacitor is at 35. You should be able to barely see, hopefully. There we go. 35 microfarad, and this one 243 to 292. So this one we got hooked up to the Subco MF800. We got 35 right on the money. Right, the run capacitors, dead nuts, right on the money. All right, let's check the start. Okay, we're looking for 243 to 292 microfarad. And the start capacitor, let's see what she rings out at. 243 to 292, what we were looking for. 243 to 292. We're ringing out at 244. Perfecto, we're in there. So I just wanted to do my due diligence on there. 244, there we go. I like this little septico. Pretty cool. Okay, let's put this thing back together. Alright, so just want to put this little guy back in it like that, goes into there, like that, and that sets right on top of that like that. Whatever you do, don't lose this. You do not want to lose that. So that just sets on top there, real gentle like. On that. Make sure your foam's down around there, looks like that. And you put this little guy on here and put the nut in. There's the nut. Nut in like that. Goes in like that. Boom. Snug her down. Hand tight. That's all it needs to be. And this cover just goes right on there, like that. And then you just put a screwdriver underneath here, and you pop it over the top. See how it's kind of angled right here? It's got a little ramp. Wire goes up over there. And we're done. Okay. Contactor's all in. It's all buttoned up. Check the capacitors. We got 35 on the run. 244 on the start. New contactor. All wires are all checked and tight. You can relug the connections on the top up there. Should be all good to go. Scale does not look like it's been 4 months since I did the cleanup on this thing. We don't have a scale issue right now, so we'll check it in another 4 months. Looking good so far. Looking good. I believe we have flakiness. Flakiness is at 100%. Sounds good. Minutes is clean. It's all checked out, ready for summer. Rock and roll. Check the alignment on this thing. This thing's getting shoved over. It's not secured down. They put in these big old boxes of knife, forks, and dinners, and they pushed it over. I marked it here before I went where I wanted it, and you see it's getting pushed over. And the hole is not going to line up with the chute. And I put here where it's supposed to be in between. Thing's getting shoved over. It's not going to be copacetic once it passes there. I'm going to have them put an L bracket up here. The handyman guy that works here put an L bracket here so that this thing don't get shoved over anymore. Bad news.